Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Hello friends, welcome to Goke Tech. Today I am going to unbox the Realme Narzo 20. So I ordered this product from the Flipkart. Let me open this. Yeah, I could see here the bill. Let me keep this aside and the box. Narzo 20, the good looking box you can see here I'm holding. Let me turn the box and there is a specification. It is having 6000 mAh battery capacity, 48 MP camera, Helio G85 processor, it's a gaming processor, and 18 watts type C quick charge it is having. I got this phone in offered price like 10,500. So let me open the box. I'm opening the cover now. Yeah, let me open the seal. Yeah, opening the box. It's very tightly packed. Yeah, here you go. You can see I'm opening this. I could see it contains a user manual. Yep, it's a user manual. Pin SIM card ejector they have. Let me open the mobile phone now. Yeah, it's nice. We open the cover and see the blue color. The body is made up of plastic but still having good looking. Yeah, the display size is 6.2 inch, that is 16.56 centimeter. The body is plastic but still it's having good shaded color and all. The side they gave the name also Narzo. Let me keep this aside. We have a boost power charger of 18 watts. Size is little big and the C port USB card they had provided. Let me keep this aside again. Let me take up the phone. Let me switch on the phone and see how it looks like. Yeah, it will take a couple of seconds, as you know. Realme powered by Android. Yeah, again it color changes to yellow. Backside camera, it's a triple camera, 48 MP, 8 MP and 2 MP. It's a triple camera. Yeah, nice fingerprint sensor. Yeah, the display quality is also nice. It's a big display compared to other phones. So backside on the speakers, C port charger, 3.5 mm headphone jack. Back panel nice. Yep, the cuttings and all. I'm going to show you the specification of this phone. Let me go to the settings, about phones. I can see the device is Realme Narzo 20, version is baseband and kernel. So the UI version is version 1.0 and Android version is 10. can see here 10 and 10 version. Let me go back. The processor is octa-core, the RAM is 4 GB, and device storage is the total storage 128 GB. And next is user agreement and some privacy, you can see. And the model is RMX2193, and it's a dual slot SIM, and I could see it's a hybrid slot as well. Let me go back. These are the shots that I had taken from my Narzo 20 phone. The back camera resolution is very nice. You can see the photos. These are my gadgets. This is Echo Dot, recently I bought. Yeah. Here you can maximize and minimize the images by zooming in and zoom out.